Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to add another Gmail account in Android. Add another Gmail account. First you need to open the Gmail application on your phone. Then tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see I have two Gmail account. To add another Gmail account you need to tap on the Add Another Account option. Here select Google option. Now enter your Gmail address here that you want to add. After that tap on Next. Now enter your Gmail account password. Then tap on Next. Now tap on I agree. That's it. Now we have successfully added a Gmail account to our Android phone. Now to check it, tap on profile icon. Here you can see three Gmail accounts. The first and second is the old Gmail, and the third Gmail account that I just added. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.